Yes.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe
No.
storm warning for South Central Anne Arundel County in
Nope,
central
that's
Maryland,
KEC.
northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waldorf, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Waldorf, moving east at 10 miles per hour.
Will cause some trees and large
60
branches to
miles
fall.
per hour wind gusts.
This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
Impact. Damaged winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Localized power outages
This could injure those outdoors,
Duh.
as well as damage
Pardon me.
homes and vehicles.
Ugh.
Roadways may become blocked by downpours.
Ah.
Localized power outages are possible.
Rosaryville,
Unsecured
Marlin,
electric
Dunkirk,
may become
Echo Peak,
projectiles.
Brandywine, Huntingtown,
Locations
Owings,
impacted
Beta,
include
Costco, Galesville, Friendship, Lower Marlboro, West River, Tracy's Landing, and Lothian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Costco,
Damage winds and continuous
Lower
clouds of
Marlboro,
lightning are
West
occurring
River,
with this storm.
Tracy's Landing, and
Lock
Lothian.
indoors immediately.
For your protection,
Lightning
move
is
to
one
an
of
interior
nature's
room
leading
on the
killers.
lowest floor of a building.
Remember, if you can
Damage
hear
winds and
thunder, you are
continuous
close enough to be
clouds
struck
ground
by
light
lightning.
monitoring with this storm.
Torrential rainfall is
Move
occurring
indoors
with this storm
immediately.
and may lead to flash
Lightning
flooding.
is one of nature's
Do not
leading
drive your
killers.
vehicle through flooded roadways.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Until 6:45 p.m.
Torrential
for the
rainfall
following
is
counties
occurring
in
with this
Maryland,
storm and
Maryland.
may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning
The
for
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland.
Eastern Bay. Let me see if other channels are going.
At 6:04 p.m.
Nope.
Hazard. Tonight, Church in Alexandria.
Nope.
radar indicated.
Hazard. Wind gusts in excess of 40
Easily be thrown overboard by sudden
Source,
higher wind
radar
waves
indicated.
capsizing their vessel.
impact. Motors could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel.
Kent Narrows Bridge.
Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Kent Narrows Bridge, Magacy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Shadyside, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Seven River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Powers, Gibson Island, Miles River, Love Point, Naval Academy, and Baltimore Light. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal.
What the hell is this?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to
Jesus Christ! Oh, Burlington and Monmouth. Never mind. And Bucks, PA. I'm not gonna get that.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Deal to 6 nautical miles west of Chesapeake Beach to 9 nautical miles northeast of Port Tobacco River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, voters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Choptank River, North Beach, Chesapeake Beach, Bears Beach, Flag Harbor, James Island, Blacklonet Point, Hillman Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. is occurring with these storms. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible, away from ungrounded metal objects. Now for the official National Weather Service